for today is about expected value. It is also known as EV, expectation, average, or mean value. Is a long-run average value of random variables. It also indicates the probability weighted average of all possible values. So now let's take a look at an example. So then our computer company is considering a planned expansion to enable the company to begin production of a new computer product. The company's CEO must determine whether to make the expansion a medium or large-scale project. Demand for the new product is uncertain, which for planning purposes may be low demand, medium demand, or high demand. The probability estimates for demand are 0.30, 0.20, and 0.50, respectively. Letting X and Y indicate the annual profit in thousands of pesos, and the firm's planners develop the following profit forecast for the medium and large scale expansion project. So the question is, we need to compute the expected value for the profit associated with the two expansion alternatives, and which decision is preferred for the objective of maximizing the expected profit. Now, this is the given. So for the medium scale expansion profit, for the low and medium and high demands are 60, 160, and 190. And then for the percentage, this is 30%, 20%, and 50%. For the large scale expansion profit, the demand for low, medium, and high are 10, 90, and 290. And the percentage are 30, 20, and 50. So now let's solve the problem. So the expected value mu is the sum of the product of each possibility x with each probability px. So if we are going to put the expected value into a formula, the formula will be EV mu is equals to summation of x and fx. So where EV is expected value and x is the event, or in this case it refers to the annual profit, which is this one, x, and this one, and the y. And then fx, the probability of the event, or in the problem, the probability estimates for demand, which is this part. So this is the summation sign, and if we are going to solve the problem, we just have to multiply x and fx. So 60 times 0.030. So this is in decimal form. If we're going to convert this into percentage, this is 30%. So it is equals to 18. And then 160 times 0.20 is equals to 32. And then 190 times 0.50 is equals to 95. Then we're going to add these 3 in order to get the total. So this will give us 145. And then for the large scale expansion profit, same thing that we have to do is to multiply this y to our fy. So 10 times 0.30, this would give us 3, and then 90 times 0.20 is 18, and 290 times 0.50 is 145. So we have to sum it, this 3. So 3 plus 18 plus 145 will give us 166. So as you can see, the large scale expansion profit gives us the highest answer, or the expected value is 166. So therefore, the company's CEO will choose this large scale expansion profit in order to maximize the profit of the company. So I hope you learned something from today's lesson. Have a good day, everyone.